Mounting instruction of microswitch for test position indication. Tools required: screwdriver and 13 mm spanner. These are the accessories and hardware required. Check the status of the breaker. The breaker should be in off position. Check the racking interlock if any. Now, breaker is in service position. Take out the racking handle from the cradle. Insert the handle in the slot provided for rack in and rack out, and rotate it in anti-clockwise direction until breaker comes to isolated position. Place the racking handle back to its position. Pull out the breaker up to maintenance position. Remove the mounting nuts on both telescopic rail of the cradle as shown. Unload breaker from cradle. Fix the microswitch on the adjustable support using screws, plain washer, spring washer and nuts as shown. Tighten the screws. Fix the adjustable support at the location shown on the cradle using 2 screws. Tighten support partially. Fix the incline assembly on the telescopic rail with 2 screws as shown. Connect continuity tester to common and normally open terminal of microswitch. Take position of telescopic rail to test position. Adjust adjustable support such that microswitch should get pressed and continuity should glow in test position. Tighten the adjustable support screw at this position. Place the breaker over cradle rail with mounting slot of breaker matching with the pins of cradle. Place the spring washers and nuts and tighten the nuts on both telescopic rails. Insert the breaker to service position. Rack in the breaker to service position.